Dobro ranku. Good morning. For the new people, I am Bas. I'm Dutch, but I have been living in Ukraine for 11 years or something. I have a little family, dog, 2 kids, both born in Ukraine, and a pet, which is gonna go this weekend because it's warm enough. Pets are flying, and he's shitting all over a balcony. It smells very weird. It's more musky than you would think. And yeah, so I live in Ukraine, Mykolaiv, about 60-70 kilometers from the front in Kherson. It's between Kherson and Odessa. The Russians tried to take our city in the beginning of the war. I think after about a week, they all were not there anymore, and there's no way they're gonna take us, because we also don't want it, you know. So yeah, we had a quiet night here, although in the oblast, which is a province, Ochakiv was attacked by rockets and a ballistic rocket, I think, which is happening all the time. In our province or oblast, we cannot go to the beach because it's full of mines, and they fly FPVs there because they have the Kinmun Spit, which used to be a nature reserve, and so they're pretty close to us, so we can not use our shipping either. Talking about shipping, last night we hit the Ust Luga, I think that's it. I keep saying Beluga port again. Here you can see the view from Estonia. From there you can also see it burn. It's in the St. Petersburg area, and it's a really big one and very important. All their oil is exported to countries, and I think yesterday they said Russia lost 40-50% of their export capacities, and I hope after this night it will be even higher, because you know this thing in Iran, well, Russia is trying to use it by supplying all the terrorist groups there, Hezbollah and Iran, and all the little groups with FPVs and Shaheds. So oil cannot flow there anymore, and everybody will have to buy their oil. That is their big plan, and Dumpty Trumpty is helping them, which is pretty obvious. I guess they don't care about the American soldiers that are apparently on their way there, and already you can see Hezbollah has got FPV training and FPVs, probably with fibers, cables, and here they're hitting an Israeli tank. So it seems that all the Western countries, they haven't been paying attention much to Ukraine. Here the war is like very difficult. You have FPVs and Shaheds and Molnias, and they hit logistics all the time. So, for example, in Russia, I think 80% of all the soldiers wounded that are even before they reach the line where they should be marching on and fighting. They don't even reach it. I think some people actually said it was 90%. But yeah. It's nice and sunny here. I think tomorrow or today we'll have about 19, 20. Go Lana, давай, jump. You want me to go first? Come on. Oi. Ooh. Bit slippery. Let's go. And there we are. In the sun again. Dobre Lana. Okay. Have a nice day. See you later. Dok Rasha and Slav Ukraini.